If you're seeing a HubSpot 500 internal server error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually temporary, and in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. We'll go through simple fixes like refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, checking extensions, switching networks, and making sure HubSpot itself is not having a service outage. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, the simplest thing to do is refresh the page and try again later. A 500 internal server error often means the server is temporarily overloaded or having a momentary problem, so reloading the page may be enough to get you back in. If the error appears again, wait a few minutes and try once more. Sometimes the issue is on HubSpot's side, not yours, so patience can actually save you a lot of time. Next, clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Cached files can sometimes cause old or broken data to load, which may trigger errors like this. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser, then sign back into HubSpot and test again. If that doesn't fix it, disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or password managers, can interfere with HubSpot pages and cause loading problems. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Turn off your extensions one by one, then go back to HubSpot and see if the error disappears. If it does, you've found the extension causing the issue. Another helpful fix is switching networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes your network, firewall, or internet provider can affect access to web apps and lead to server-style errors. A simple network change can help you figure out whether the problem is tied to your current connection. You should also disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes change how HubSpot connects to your browser or account, and that can trigger unexpected errors. Turn off the VPN, refresh HubSpot, and try the same action again. If the problem goes away, the VPN or proxy was likely causing the conflict. Finally, check HubSpot's system status. If HubSpot is experiencing an outage, no browser fix on your side will fully solve the problem until their servers are back online. Search for HubSpot status or visit their official status page to see if there are any ongoing incidents. If there is an outage, the best solution is simply to wait until HubSpot resolves it. So to quickly recap, if you get a HubSpot 500 internal server error, start by refreshing the page, clear your cache, disable extensions, switch networks, turn off VPN or proxy tools, and check HubSpot status. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If not, the problem may be temporary and should clear up shortly. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.